CM6615 side marker LED. Description: 1. Power supply operates on a wide voltage range of 12 to 24 VDC, utilizing PWM constant current technology for stable and efficient performance. 2. High-performance LED features 6 SMD2835 LED 0.W providing bright, consistent illumination for enhanced safety and visibility. 3. Compact, endurable design, dimensions of L72mm W33.5mm, with a robust aluminum PCB base for superior heat dissipation and durability. 4. Easy installation, includes 3M double-sided adhesive for quick mounting. Alternatively, screws can be used for a more secure and permanent installation. 5. Waterproof, unreliable, IP67 rated shell ensures strong resistance to water, dust, and challenging environmental conditions. 6. Elegant exterior, silver electroplated shell with a sleek, endurable finish, designed for modern vehicles. The LED CM6615 side marker light is a versatile and dependable solution for vehicle lighting. Ideal for trucks, trailers, RV, pickups, and more, it delivers superior brightness, reliability, and a wide-angle beam for enhanced safety on the road.